It really seems like such a nice day outside. Ah, what's going on? I can't get up.
George. What happened? Are you okay? George? George? Speak to me, George.
What happened to me and why am I dancing on the ground?
Well, I have no idea, George, but I know there was an earthquake. I was in the basement. Are you okay?
Yeah, I guess I am okay. How did I even survive that? Woo, party on.
Wait, George? There is some camera recording us.
Quickly hop on top that couch. They won't see us.
I'll look at the amazing fireworks that keep going. Wait, how are there fireworks inside?
Whoa, what's going on? Ha 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 ha, why am I laughing? Ha 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 ha.
George, help. I'm going to be gone forever if you don't pull me out of here. Oh.
Huh? What happened to her? Honey, are you there? Honey. Oh my god, I have to escape this.